As you read your Literature Circle book, you need to be paying attention to our standards that we're focusing on for this unit. The first standard we're focusing on looks at vocabulary used in context. So as you read each section of your book, you need to look for good, strong examples of vocabulary words. You will write down a vocabulary word as you see it. Make sure that it's a word that you think is challenging or strong and important to know. So you'll write down the word, the sentence where you found the word, the page number where you found the word, and where it says inference, we want you to infer what you believe the word means based off of the context in which it was used. Don't go to the dictionary, look up the word. Make your best judgment based off of the evidence that is there on what the word means. You're going to do this twice for each section of your reading. One word here, your second word here. The other focus for our unit is on figurative language. You're going to be looking for examples of figurative language while you read. If you find the figurative language, you will tell me what it's an example of, write it down, including the page number, and then explain how or why it's an example of what you said it was an example of. You will do this twice for each section of your reading. The last thing on your bookmark that you will get for every section of reading is root. We are going to give you a root that you need to look for. You're going to look for words that use that root. You will write down the root when we give it to you, write down the word that has the root in it, the sentence that the word was in, and the page number where you found it. And at your discussion each week, we will talk about what your root words mean, how that connects to the meaning of the root, and how they are used. You'll get a new bookmark or use the back of a bookmark with every discussion, and so you will, by the end, have found at least 2 vocabulary words and 2 examples of figurative language for every section of your book.